So today I will show you how to make your own all-natural herbal hair growth shampoo at home. Now this shampoo is also great for promoting scalp health, prevent hair loss, dandruff, and get rid of itchy scalp. Alright, so the first ingredient that we have here is lemongrass. Now lemongrass contains vitamins and minerals that help strengthen the hair follicles, reducing hair breakage and promoting healthier growth. It also reduces dandruff because it has antifungal and antibacterial properties that can help eliminate dandruff and soothe an irritated scalp, can stimulate blood flow, which promotes healthier hair growth. Now the next one is moringa. Now moringa is a powerhouse when it comes to promoting hair growth and improving overall hair health, because it is rich in vitamins and minerals such as vitamin A, B, C, E, iron and zinc and amino acids, and proteins that nourishes the scalp, boost keratin production, and prevent hair loss, and it can also strengthen the hair. It has high zinc content, so that's why moringa helps support and repair the growth of hair follicles, reducing hair thinning and breakage. And then the next one is aloe vera. This was picked freshly out from my garden. Now aloe vera is highly regarded for its ability to promote hair growth and maintain healthy scalp. It is packed with nutrients, enzymes, and also amino acids that nourishes both the scalp and hair, making it ideal for stimulating hair growth. Aloe vera also balances scalp pH, it reduces hair fall, it soothes the scalp, and it boosts hair strength. And lastly, I'm going to use okra. Now okra is also known as ladyfinger, and this is actually a great natural remedy for promoting hair growth due to its nutrient content and hydrating properties. It is full of vitamins and minerals such as vitamin A, C, and K, and as well minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron that nourishes the scalp and hair, making it a beneficial ingredient for stronger, healthier hair. It boosts hair shine and it prevents hair breakage. Okra also has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe irritated scalp, reduce dandruff, and improve overall condition of the scalp, creating a better environment for hair growth. Okay, so I think you guys have seen me boil or brew the lemongrass a while ago. So when the color turns like this, go ahead and add the okra and let it cook until you see the mucilage come out, and then turn the heat off. Now you don't want to overcook this at all. So in a blender, I will add the mixture here and then add all of the ingredients as well. Now this is optional, but if you want to make this shampoo smell good, I will go ahead and add in half a lemon. And by the way, lemon has a lot of amazing benefits for scalp health as well. Alright, so from here, just go ahead and blend it. And blend it until it looks like this right here. So after that, I'm just gonna go ahead and transfer it in this little bottle, and then this is ready to use. Alright, so in here what I'll do is I'll double cleanse. So on the first cleanse, I will use my regular shampoo, and then on the next cleanse, when my scalp is clean, I will then use my Herbal hair growth shampoo. Now the reason why I'm doing this is to remove the surface dirt, product residue such as oils, gels, and conditioner, and environmental pollutants that can clog hair follicles. This helps prevent scalp issues like dandruff and blocked follicles, which can hinder hair growth. Now by removing these impurities during the first cleanse, the second cleanse allows the shampoo or the treatment used to penetrate more effectively, delivering nutrients and hydration more efficiently to both your hair and scalp. Alright, so now that my hair is clean, I'm gonna go ahead and use the shampoo that I just made. And if you all notice, the shampoo will not create bubbles or foam since it is all natural and it doesn't have any foaming agent, just like your regular shampoo. So that's why it just looks like that. So I will focus this on my scalp since I'm using this for hair growth and to really cleanse my scalp just in general, and also to get rid of itchy scalp too. So I'm making sure that all of my head is coated. Now I'm gonna leave that on my head for about 5 minutes. And then I typically put conditioner at the bottom part of my hair and then just wash them all together with water after 5 minutes, and then that's it. Now I really do like the shampoo just because not only is it great for hair growth, but it is meant to prevent hair loss as well and help get rid of dandruff and any scalp issues that you may have. It also does not leave any residue on the scalp, which is great. And also after doing this on my scalp, my hair, especially on top of my hair, feels very clean and light. Like I actually still have volume on top of my hair, and it's also not drying on the scalp and hair because I've tried a lot of herbal shampoos and they seem to dry out my hair all the time, but this one does not at all. By the way, if you all are interested in the ingredients that I used here, I'm just gonna put them in the description box, or if you have these ingredients in your garden like I do, just go ahead and use that. I actually grew the aloe vera and the malunggay myself, and I find them very essential, not only using it for my hair but also for consumption, because consuming malunggay, just because it also helps with growing the hair. So yeah, I hope you guys try this shampoo out, and once again, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you found it valuable, please do share it to your friend, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!